Let's go ahead and spend a little bit of time on indexed arrays. So Bash provides one-dimensional index and associative arrays. So it's important to know that we distinguish the difference between Bash indexed arrays and Bash associated arrays. So indexed arrays are arrays in which the keys are ordered integers, while associative arrays are keys in which they are represented by strings. Any variable may be used as an indexed array, and the declare built-in will explicitly declare an array. There is no maximum limit on the size of an array, nor any requirement that members be indexed or assigned contiguously. Indexed arrays are referenced using integers, including arithmetic expression and zero-based, and associative arrays use arbitrary strings, just as we said earlier. Unless otherwise noted, indexed array indices must be non-negative integers. So we see a quick setup and example for the syntax here of an array. So we have array name 0 equals value 1, 1 equals 2, and so on. So this is setting a single value at a time. So this is the key, this is the value here. So we know that the z in that array, or the 0 in that array is equal to 1, the 1 in this array is equal to 2, and so on. Or we can use the set command, so we can use set, and actually it should be lowercase a. So set-a, the array name, and the value 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I can show you that quickly here. Let me clear my screen. So we can say my underscore array, square bracket 0, square bracket equals 1. Oops, I don't know what happened there. Too much stuff going on. Alright, my underscore array, square bracket 0, square bracket 1 equals equals 1. I can do it again, except put 1 here, and now it equals 2. And I can put 2 here, and it equals 3. Okay? And then how I display that is I would do echo, $, curly brace, my, so you would do the array name, which is my array in this case, square bracket, star for all, star, or I'm sorry, square bracket, and then curly brace. There you go, 1, 2, and 3, okay? So this is setting a single value at a time. I can also set multiple values, so I can just do my underscore array equals, and I'm going to do 2 strings here, okay? I'm going to say parentheses, foo, and bar. So this is 2 different values I'm assigning to this array. Okay. Now when I echo it, there we go. We see foo and bar. So I assign more than one value at a time here. So 2 different ways to do it, a single value at a time and multiple values at a time. Let's head back to our PowerPoint. So just as I said earlier, associative arrays can only be created using the declare-a name of the array. Attributes may be specified for an array variable using the declare and read-only built-ins. Each attribute applies to all members of the array. So you can read more about that at the link below here. So we just follow this link here. So if I go to my virtual box here, I can do declare -a, okay, and my underscore array. Okay, and now we need to insert some values to it, which is why it didn't work here. But that's how you would declare an associative array. So here's a quick and handy way to kind of deal with arrays here. I'm not going to go through all these. I'm not going to show each example here. You feel free to kind of play around with it. You can see, notice how you create an empty array, initialize an array, retrieve the third element of the array, and so on. Okay.